Hello, greetings and salutations, and how are you all? It's been a while since I spoke to you all and given you an update. So I wanted to tell you about something incredibly exciting and new in my world. Now, I am still trading Forex. I'm still doing incredibly well, and I'm still with iMarketsLive, and it's the best thing ever. And I am steadily making profits and compounding my account, and it's brilliant. It's absolutely incredible. But something's just happened within our team, within our exclusive team, and it's really boosted my profits. It's really helped. We have now got something exclusive to our team called Boyd's Pips. Now, this is a Telegram service set up by a guy called Brandon Boyd and Jordan Compser, and they are incredibly successful traders. And because we are part of their group, we get access to the Telegram channel, which are giving us daily signals. Well, not signals, trade ideas. We must say trade ideas here, guys. We can't give you signals. And the results from these trade ideas are off the scale. Now, let me share my screen and I'm going to tell you something very exciting, right? We have got a group called the 7-Day Free Trial and Demo Group. Now, if you are looking at trading and you're a little bit skeptical and you would like to try this for 7 days for free, no obligation, it's worth literally coming in, having a look, joining our 7-day free trial group, getting access to your daily trade ideas, which we are copying and pasting straight from the Telegram channel, right? And then you can have a look for yourself. Now, I need to show you some results. I need to show you how it's going. I need to show you what it is that you're letting yourselves in for. It's incredible. I'm going to let Michael talk to you about that because Michael is brilliant at explaining things and I get all tongue-tied. So here's Michael to explain all. Watch, listen, and take note because this is exciting.
And if you're a complete newbie to the Forex, you're absolutely going to love this. And even if you're not, you're going to love this. And this is what I mean. So, one of the problems people have when they're brand newbies are like, man, I don't know anything about the Forex. I got to get in there. I got to learn. There's a learning curve that I got to get through. Well, we've created a situation where it's really the perfect earn while you learn environment. And this is what I mean. While you're plugging into our education and learning all about the Forex, plugging into some of our tools and softwares and education, you're learning how to use everything, we literally hand you trades every single day, every single week that you can just copy and paste. It literally takes you about 15 seconds to copy a trade into your trading app, and now you're in the same exact trade as a professional, successful Forex trader, right? So the way that it works is we've been doing this for years. We've been using these products for years. And there's a few of us that have mastered these products. And when we're about to make some trades with them, we hand those trades in the form of what we call trade ideas to you, right? So check this out, what you're seeing on the screen. Over here is last week's worth of trades, right? 13 trades, 3 losses, 10 wins for a total of 925 pips. All right, if you want to know what that is, what it equates to is this, right? If you were to do a micro lot on this, which is a 0.01, you would have made $9.25. If you put a mini lot, which is 0.1 lot size, you'd have made $925. If you did a standard lot, you would have made $9,250, right? So how much you can leverage depends on what size your account is, but I think you can agree, no matter what you started with, you would have had more money at the end of the week than when you began. So look at how easy these are, guys. I got examples, right? So we have a chat room that we've dropped these in. You'll get added to the chat room, and we just simply drop them in there, and they look like this. It says USD CAD, sell. Gives you the pair, tells you it's a sell, and gives you the stop loss and the take profit. Right? That's it. You get it. All you do is go over to your app, copy those numbers in, hit trade, and boom, you're in a trade with an experienced trader, the same trade as the experienced trader. There's another one, sell, Aussie NZD, stop loss, and then 3 different take profits. Then another trade right behind that, stop loss, take profit. Another one, stop loss 3 take profits, right? Another one for the Aussie yen, a buy, stop loss 3 take profits, right? This is so simple a child could do it. It's copy, paste, and profit. All right, now you're not going to win them all. Like, as you can see here, we lost 3. But what you're going to notice here is the losses are small and the winners are big because we cut the losses off right away and we let the winners run. All right, and we teach and preach proper money management, right? So while you're digging in, so I have a little list of just some of the products here. You know, while you're digging into the Academy and IML TV to actually learn what Forex is about and maybe even how to trade, or maybe you're tapping into the various tools, while you're learning how to use those, you have us as a team delivering trades to you day in and day out. And all you have to know how to do is copy and paste. That's it, right? It's pretty crazy.
Okay, so how cool is that? Right, so to get access to Boyd's Pips, simply message me or comment below to say yes please, and I will add you to that Facebook group. You will be getting access to this for free for 7 days trial. After the 7 days, you will be removed from that group as it is just a trial group. And if you would like to continue with Boyd's Pips and you would like to be able to earn while you are learning Forex via the incredible educational platform that is iMarkets Live, then you would need to join as a customer with iMarkets Live, and then I can plug you back in to Boyd's Pips permanently. So message me, get in touch with me, leave a comment below that you want to get into Boyd's Pips, you want to do the free trial. And obviously, if you want to join IML as a customer with me, I would love you to join our team, our Ninja group. So just message me, and down below there's a link to my Facebook page as well. I've got a Facebook group called Making Sense of Forex Trading. If you're watching this on YouTube, come and join my Facebook group because you'll have access to all sorts of trainings and stuff that's just awesome. So I will see you inside my Facebook group, or I will see you via direct messenger or messages, or just find me, Google Sarah Jane Cruickshank, and you'll find me somehow. Contact me, let me get you sorted out, let me get you plugged in. You must take advantage of this 7-day free trial. It is insane and the pips are incredible. So I'll see you on the inside. Message me down below. Message. Don't miss out on this. Stop procrastinating, stop putting it off. Learn to trade Forex, learn a skill that's going to pay you for the rest of your life. Take advantage of this 7-day free trial to have a look. Please don't let this opportunity pass you by. See you on the inside. Bye-bye.